How to log into Axis Bank credit card online. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're gonna see the search box. Type in Axis Bank credit card and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, axisbank.com. Open it. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the website, at the top right, you're gonna see this icon. Click on it. Now over here, you're gonna find different options to log in. Select the account for which you wanna log in. With that, you will be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is fill this and provide your credentials. Go ahead and type in your login ID or customer ID. Then type in the password. In the case you have forgotten the ID or password, you can click on these options to recover it. Then here you can select this login directly to. Click on this drop down. From here, you can select any of the option as dashboard, accounts, payments, and anything. Then you can click on login, and just with that, you'll be logged into your account and you'll get access to your credit card. So this is how you can easily log into Axis Bank credit card online. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.